Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute butterfly, paper butterfly earring. We will need a template that I will provide on my blog. I will put this template on my blog, but we will trace it. And then some paper, as you prefer. I chose this kind of paper. Some nail polish in order to glitter the paper earring, and then they are ready. Okay, let's get started to create the other butterfly. So we will need to trace our template. We will need a piece of white paper, fold enough, and then with a pencil we will need to trace our butterfly in this way. You can trace bigger or smaller. Okay, now with a pair of scissors we will cut our template that we will use to create our butterfly earring. Okay, voila, and here our butterfly template. Oh, sorry, I forgot this part. Okay, we need to cut this part also. Voila, here our butterfly. Okay, now with our template we put the template here, and with our scissors we will cut around the template. We will need to cut 2 butterflies, so this is the first one and we will refer to the other one. Okay, now this is a thick piece of paper. Better to use a thick piece of paper, because if you use the butterflies as I use to create earrings, better a thick piece of paper. Okay, we are quite done. Okay, and you can use these butterflies as a home decor or to decor a gift, a package. Voila, here our butterfly. This is a little, you can adjust your template here and here. Okay, now we will need to use some nail polish in order to glitter our butterfly, and here with some nail polish I will use this one that I found in a €1 shop, and I think it's quite nice because it's pink with glitter. Voila, and you will have to use the nail polish back and forth. Okay, you will need to nail polish the front of the butterfly and then the back when it's ready. Okay, now we will leave it to dry. I created before another. This is the finished butterfly. Okay, and now when you have your butterfly ready, when it will be dried, okay, we will need to punch a hole here in order to create our earring opposite to the other one, because they will stay in this way and in this other way. Okay, now punch a hole. Voila. Here the hole, and then we will need to use a jump ring, and this I will use this one. I think it's quite nice because it has this strass diamond, and so voila, our earring is ready. I think they are so nice for this spring season. They are so nice. You can create them in many different colors, in many different size, because you can use the template as it is, or smaller or bigger. I will put during this day I will put the template on my blog and the link below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.